Hey, today we're here in downtown Griffith. As you can see here, this is their Welcome to the Griffith sign. We're going to do a downtown tour. So we're actually starting on the south end. We're over by the railroad tracks, as you can see over here. And I got my son, what's your name?
Wyatt.
Wyatt, that's right. Nice to meet you, Wyatt. Thanks for doing another video. Did you have fun doing our Crown Point video last week?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. All right, so yeah, we're here on the south end. And we're on Broad Street, and we're gonna go up to Miller Street on the north end, and you should see, if everything goes to plan, you'll see a map that follows us on the screen. So as we're on the south end, two things I wanna point out. We got the Erie Lackawanna trailhead here, and then we'll come back to that, but I wanna show you over here. So on the south end, we have the Griffith Historical Society train depot thing. So it looks like Sundays they have some sort of event. And again, we're just on the south end here. So they have a building here where some sort of activities happen. Got some information about here. If you wanna read more, you can freeze frame that. And then over here, you can see that on the south end, we got public parking on both sides of the street and a train that you can check out. So it looks like you can climb out and everything. Why don't you go run over there for a second? That's neat too. They got the old control tower over there. So let's take a peek at the train over here. So oh, look at this. This was like an old sleeper car, a Pullman sleeper car. EJ&E line. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna cross the streets and we're gonna go over and check out the Erie Lackawanna trailhead. And if you don't know much about the Lackawanna Trail, I believe it was like a railroad track or some sort of right-of-way that then got abandoned or bought out. And so now it's a super long bike path. You can go running or biking. Some people from our church actually that will get together on the weekends and do a run. So we're crossing Broad. Again, we're right on the south end of the railroad tracks. And coming over here to the trail. All right, and so what I'm doing here is we're gonna walk over. There's some information sign over there on the trailhead, and I think it'll tell us distances and where it goes. So we'll check that out, and then we're gonna head north. What's also cool today is that there is a street fest going on over the summer in general. It looks like every weekend or most weekends they have music playing in downtown, and so we're gonna check that out too. All right, so here we're looking at the trailhead. So here's a map, and we can see that we are, oh wow, this really goes far, I didn't realize that. So we are here, and it looks like this trail goes all the way, so it goes, here's downtown Crown Point. Did you know it went that far away? I didn't know.
No.
So, and then, oh wow, there's all these trails that go all over the place. So that's pretty cool. You wanna check out what is this? The greenways and blueways of Northwest Indiana. I'd imagine there's more information there. Okay, so now we got a train behind us. It's gonna be great for background noise, but all right, we're gonna head north on Broad Street. All right, yeah, so this is where we started. This is the cool sign, nice mural there. And as we get started here, we're going down Broad Street now, headed north. So as we get started here, I just want to introduce myself. My name's Tony Anczer. So this is my son, Wyatt. He helps me out on videos and real estate agent serving Northwest Indiana and Chicago. So got you covered on both sides of the border. I do videos just to help out our clients and anybody looking to know more about the area, about the region. So we'd love to hear from you guys. That's why we do this. So if our contact information is on the screen, you reach out. That's my cell phone number and email, or also ways to communicate is down on the description below. We also have a number of playlists for other towns. So you'll see playlists for all kinds of towns in Northwest Indiana and Chicagoland. So you can learn more about those towns too. And again, if you got any questions, please just reach out. We love hearing from you, and that's why we do this. All right, we're headed north on Broad. All right, we got hometown floors. All right, behind us is Griffith Billiards. We got Doc's Lounge here. And then again, that's looking south down the street towards the railroad tracks. And as you can see over there, we got set up for the street fest going on. And this is Labor Day we're recording, so Be some fun activities going on. We got SQUIGI'S, pizza and tacos. Oh, check this store out. I dig dinos. It's pretty neat. Oh, wow. This is a neat store, buddy. So I dig dinos, dinosaur themed. So we're not gonna cruise down Main Street here, but just to give you a tour or a view looking to the west and then looking to the east. There is G&G Hobbies. We wanted to check that out today, but for some reason they're closed. That was a little bit of a bummer. A couple other things we see is we see new Operval's, if I probably didn't say that right, brewing. And there's a AJ's restaurant right down to the east. All right, over there we got Gelsom's Pizza and True Whiskey Bar. Here we got the Griffith Town Hall. Police station. Got Clet Barbershop, Dynamite Music, Ladies Popcorn. Oh, we got some live bands going on. Oh, you got a CharCuterie store. I didn't know that was here. That'd be worth checking out. It's pretty neat. There's the Worst store. It's like, sounds German to me. Got set 'em up lanes and lounge here. See Varsity Sports. We got Blythe's Guns and Ammo. That's like another cool store to check out. Spitz and MLLER Insurance Agency. The Grind Cafe. All right, so we're at Broad and Columbia right now. You can see the streets there. All right, so over there, you see the Vegas bar. Here in the background, you see Franklin School. ATI Physical Therapy. SALON BLISS. Well, why, there's a lot more going on at this fest than I thought there'd be today. I didn't know what to expect.
Yeah,
that's pretty cool. You got the lemonade stand there. Why it's bigger than a lemonade stand. Might be talking me into one later, I'm assuming. Let's see. We got LPL Financial, TD's Pizza Express. Looks like another band stage here. All right, so we're on crossing Lake Street now. So you got a park here. Yeah, that's the Franklin Center there. I guess I said it was a school, I was wrong. So they got a few stores there, Hope Church, South Shore Dance Alliance, a couple other businesses there. We got Quick Scripts here. All right, let's cross the street. Looks like the park's cooler over there. All right, so this park's pretty nice here. You got 2 basketball courts. And today's Saturday, there's nobody out here playing. It's kind of surprising. Baseball fields. Got BAXTER Printing. All right, we're approaching Miller Street. It's like another half block up, and that's where we're gonna stop the tour. But we're hitting a few more businesses here we can see. So as we get further north, the downtown experience tapers out a little bit. Here we go, we got Villa Pizza. On the east side here, Moses Eye Care Center. Yeah, this park here, it's kept pretty nice. Nice fields. Over there on the east side, we got WILLOW'S Golden PUB. Looks like it's a bar for dogs, boy. What do you think? There's a bunch of dogs in there just hanging out? Yeah, what kind of dogs? I just wanted to see what you'd say to that. All right, so we're approaching a couple more stores here just to show before we end this tour. So yes, we're at Miller Street here. So we've got Sensible Heating and Air Conditioning. We got LitGo, Studio 4, Wilson Insurance. So that concludes this tour. Thanks for watching. Wyatt, anything to say as we leave?
No.
No, he's a man of few words. So cool. All right, thanks for watching. Again, feel free to reach out. We love hearing from our viewers. If you're looking to buy, sell 9 or 90 days, we'd love to begin those discussions with you. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.